Number 5. Everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a mini sewing machine that's perfect for beginners, the BSHAPPLUS Mini Sewing Machine. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use sewing machine that gets the job done, you'll want to stick around for this review. Compact and lightweight design. The BSHAPPLUS Mini Sewing Machine is super compact and lightweight, making it perfect for those who have limited space or need something portable. Its dimensions are 13.58, DX 7.09, WX 11.81H, which means it's small enough to store away easily, but still offers plenty of workspace for your projects. Easy to use for beginners. If you're just starting out, you'll appreciate how simple this machine is to use. The BSHAPPLUS Mini Sewing Machine comes with user-friendly features, like a single stitch and easy threading. It's an excellent option for beginners who want to practice without feeling overwhelmed by complicated controls or settings. Electric functionality. This little machine is electric, meaning you won't need to hand crank or worry about using up too much effort. It's perfect for beginner projects, and the motor is strong enough to handle basic fabrics like cotton or linen. If you're looking for efficiency in a small package, this one's a winner. Affordable and practical. One of the best things about the BSHAPPLUS Mini Sewing Machine is its affordability. But for the price, you're getting a high-quality machine that covers all your basic needs. Whether you're hemming pants or starting a small quilting project, it's a practical and budget-friendly tool. The BSHAPPLUS Mini Sewing Machine is an excellent choice for beginners. It's compact, affordable, and super easy to use. If you're just getting into sewing, this machine can help you get started with ease. Number 4. We're diving into a fantastic beginner-friendly sewing machine, the GURUY sewing machine. If you've been looking for an easy-to-use machine that's perfect for your first sewing projects, this one might be just what you need. Let's get started. The GURUY sewing machine comes in a sleek white design with compact dimensions of 14 inches deep, 11 inches wide, and 6 inches high. It's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for beginners who are short on space or want a machine that's easy to store. One of the standout features of the GURUY sewing machine is how easy it is to use. It has simple controls and clear instructions, making it perfect for those just starting their sewing journey. The easy-to-follow threading system ensures you won't get frustrated while setting up your machine. This sewing machine offers a range of stitch options, which is great for beginners experimenting with different types of fabric. Whether you're working with cotton or denim, the machine has a variety of stitches to help you create professional-looking projects in no time. At just the right size, the GURUY sewing machine is light enough to carry around yet sturdy enough for everyday use. Whether you're working at home or want to take it to a crafting class, this machine is perfect for those on the go. When it comes to affordability, the GURUY sewing machine offers great value for money. It's priced well for beginners, but still packs in all the features you need to get started with your sewing projects. You won't have to break the bank to get high-quality results. The GURUY sewing machine is a fantastic choice for beginners. With its user-friendly design, versatile features, and portability, it makes sewing enjoyable and stress-free. If you're ready to start sewing, Number 3. We're reviewing the LUKU portable sewing machine with an extension table and light. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this handy little machine could be a game changer for your sewing projects. Let's dive in and see why. The LUKU sewing machine is designed with portability in mind. Measuring just 3.7 inches in depth, 7.4 inches in width, and 8.2 inches in height, it's small enough to carry around and store easily. It's perfect for crafting on the go, or for those with limited space. One standout feature of this sewing machine is the built-in extension table. It provides extra surface area, making it easier to work on larger fabrics or more intricate projects. This added space also helps with stability, preventing fabric from shifting during sewing. No more struggling to see your stitching in low light. The LUKU sewing machine has an integrated LED light, which provides clear, bright illumination right where you need it. It's perfect for evening sewing sessions or in dimly lit spaces. The controls on the LUKU sewing machine are simple and intuitive, even for beginners. It features easy stitch selection and a straightforward on/off switch. You can start sewing within minutes of setting it up, which makes it a great choice for those new to sewing. Despite being compact, this sewing machine delivers a smooth and quiet performance. The motor operates efficiently, so you won't have to worry about disturbing anyone while sewing. It's perfect for late-night projects or sewing in shared spaces. Overall, the Luku portable sewing machine with extension table and light is a fantastic choice for those who need a reliable and easy-to-use sewing machine that doesn't take up much space. With its compact design, extended workspace, and bright LED light, it's a must-have for any crafter. Number 2. We're diving into a review of a very compact and affordable sewing machine, the GURY electric sewing machine. If you're a beginner or someone looking for a machine that doesn't take up too much space, you might want to stick around. Let's get into the details of this little powerhouse. Let's talk about the design. The GURY is really compact and lightweight. It measures just 3 inches deep, 5 inches wide, and 4 inches high. So if you're tight on space or need something portable for small projects, this is a great option. The color is a clean, neutral white, which makes it look sleek and modern on your sewing table. It also blends in easily with any decor, so you won't mind leaving it out. Now, let's talk about the electric feature. Unlike some manual machines, the GURY is electric, which means no more cranking a wheel. Just press a button and you're good to go. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're working on larger projects or need consistent speed. Here's the fun part. I've never used this machine before, and I was genuinely surprised by how easy it was to get started. The controls are simple to understand, making it perfect for beginners. And even though it's small, it still handles a variety of fabrics like cotton, denim, and more. I've tried a few different materials, and it stitches through them smoothly without any issues. One thing to note is that it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of larger, high-end machines, but for its size and price, it does what it promises, providing reliable, consistent stitches for smaller sewing projects like home decor, repairs, or even creating custom accessories. Is the GURY electric sewing machine worth it? If you're looking for a simple, efficient, and portable option for small tasks, I'd say absolutely. It's great for beginners or anyone who needs a handy machine without a huge investment. The easy setup, compact design, and reliable performance make it a solid choice for quick fixes and small DIY projects. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this machine, Number 1. The camera pans across a cozy, well-lit sewing space. A close-up shows a compact, mini sewing machine sitting on the desk, with its accessories neatly arranged beside it. Welcome to today's review. If you've ever wanted to dive into sewing but felt intimidated by bulky, complicated machines, then you're in for a treat. Today we're checking out this mini sewing machine, the perfect solution for beginners or anyone looking for a portable, easy-to-use sewing tool. This sewing kit comes with a whopping 123 pieces, so you're all set right out of the box. You get everything from needles, thread spools, and buttons, to scissors, fabric, and even DIY accessories like floral fabric and a foot pedal. You'll be able to make so many projects: clothes, pillows, dolls, aprons. Really, whatever your creative heart desires. One of the best features? It comes with a complimentary $100 ebook packed with invaluable sewing tutorials. Whether you're brand new to sewing or want to level up, this guide is a game changer. It offers 3 difficulty levels: easy, medium, and advanced, so you can learn at your own pace. Plus, you'll get access to an FAQ, a user manual, and video guides to really boost your skills. Now let's talk safety and ease of use. This mini machine includes a built-in finger guard, something you don't often see on smaller machines. And it has 2 speed modes: high for faster stitching and low for more precision. The built-in light is a lifesaver, especially for late-night projects or sewing on dark fabrics. It's incredibly lightweight, only 3.74 pounds, and compact enough to carry with you on the go. You can power it with either a plug or just 4 AA batteries, making it the perfect choice for home or travel. Finally, if you're looking for a great gift idea, this mini sewing machine is perfect for any occasion: birthdays, Christmas, or even just to introduce someone to the world of sewing. So whether you're a beginner or just want something portable, this mini sewing machine has you covered. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more reviews.